Hey traders, Raghee here, and I want to point something out, and I'll bring this up tomorrow in the Charts and Coffee daily morning show that we have before the markets open. If you've never joined me for Charts and Coffee before, this is something that we do Monday through Friday, and that is 9 to 9:20 a.m. And you can catch this on the Simpler Trading YouTube and Facebook page, and that's the Charts and Coffee. It's a free show. You can catch it live every morning. So we'll touch on this a little bit, but I want to bring it up here in our free video because this is something that may catch some traders off guard. I just want to point out the tendency, and this is specifically talking about the Russell, as you can see here. Now, the Russell stalled out a little bit, and you know what the idea here is, will the Russell continue to rally into the end of the year? Will it benefit from some window dressing? And one thing that some traders might be surprised to see over the 5 and 15 year composite is that if you take a look at the Russell over the past 15 years, I mean, just like a lot of other names at the end of the year, it does tend to benefit from year-end rallies, window dressing rallies, which are kind of one and the same. But the last 5 years have not been as kind to the Russell. In fact, you got to wonder if we're going to follow this pattern where after Christmas, the Russell starts to stall out and move lower. So let's keep this in mind when it comes to the Russell. If there is going to be a stall, and whether or not these candles right here, these very narrow-bodied candles after what's been a pretty epic run in the Russell, could be at sort of the end of that move as we go into the end of year, and we may see window dressing in other parts of the market, not small cap. So I wanted to point that out because a lot of folks are asking, are we going to have a pullback buy? Now in the premium video, I'm going to talk about the other part of this seasonal tendency, which takes us into January, where we can get much more opportunistic on a tendency for the market to move lower after the window dressing rally concludes and into the middle of January. Okay, but just a quick heads up on what's going on with the Russell, and maybe be a little bit more opportunistic after we get a move lower. I'll see you in the next update.